Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable auto factory reset on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on lock screen. Now click on secure lock settings and then enter your lock screen password. And here you will see the auto factory reset button. So to enable auto factory reset, turn on this button. And after turning on this button, the auto factory reset will be enabled. So that's how you can enable auto factory reset on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.